Welcome back to Virtual Tech. I'm back with another video called Creating a Blog in Just 5 Minutes. So let's get started. There is something called Blogger powered by Google where we can create free blogs. It also provides you with a lot of templates which you can customize with it. So let's see the steps. So open your default browser and just type Blogger and you'll see this image, Blogger image at the top right corner, and this is the website where you can create your free blogs. So just click on this and see this template, publish your passions, scroll, you'll be having many templates here. So read the stuff and just come to the top and you just click on create your blog. For this you should be having a mail ID for creating a blog. So just type your mail ID and password. After entering your mail ID and password, it will redirect you to this page. See, like blogger profile, display name. So you just click something, your name. I'll just create a virtual. Okay, continue to blog. Okay, no problem. Continue to blogger. So start. Click on create new blog, and the title is about me. This is just a sample. You can create your title as you want, and the address is your blog or your website. It's asking for your blog or your website domain name. So what your domain name want to be? I just want to be virtual tech, virtual tech. Checking. So this blog address is not available, so you can just go on with other one. Yes, this blog address is available, and after that you choose your template, like how your blog want to be. I just love travel, so just create a blog. It's successfully created. uh, See, and if you want a domain like .com, .in, .tech something, you can just search like .tech, search. Yeah, it's loading, and it will be like 1,000 rupees per year. You just want to buy a domain. If you just want to buy a domain, otherwise you can just skip this, not an issue. So close this and this too. So start your new post here. See, just write hello, welcome back, welcome to virtual tech YouTube channel. I just created this. You can see the bold, italic, underline. You can just see the color too. I'll keep red because I love it. If you want, you can keep any links, photos, even videos too. After keeping, you just click on publish. So, and it's here. So if you want to view your blog, like the default template, see it looks like this. Wow, it's really beautiful. See, welcome back to Virtual Tech YouTube channel and all this. See, I told you right, this blogspot, your domain name, this is your domain name, virtualtech12.blogspot.com. If you type this in if you type this in any browser, this home page will appear, and that's it. Creating a blog. Just go back see here many things. See, see this all traffic sources. So how many people from which country have seen your blog? You'll all details you'll get here. After that, earnings, pages, layouts, themes. If you click on themes, you can just customize your themes. Like if you want this theme, you can keep this theme. Otherwise, all this. I'll just go for this. Okay, apply this to my blog. So download theme. Oh no. Okay, just click on apply. Theme is applied. So just go back to your blog, view blog, and just see this is something where about you have this. So just come back and you'll be having settings. In the settings, see your URL is this. I have shown you before, right? So if you want to create other blog in this new blog, go to new blog and just type something like YouTube updates. You can give the address like youtube1.blogspot.com, not available. YouTube updates 1.blogspot.com. Sorry. Okay, whatever you want you can give here, and that should be available. Yes, this blog address is available, so just create blog. So yes, the blog is created. No thanks. And you want to create a post, just create a post and same as usual. And if you want to see the before blog, go to this, see about me, and yes, your blog is here. See, this is the simple way where you can create your blog without using WordPress. This is a free website where you can blog easily. And that's it, guys. Thank you.